The DNA of our company is to iterate quickly and ship code to customers as fast as possible. One of the things that we had considered doing was standing up our own CI environment. So we were going to use, like a host of Jenkins and run all of our own CI ourselves. The reason we decided against that was if we had to wait on, an internal CI environment, or if we had to, make sure that we had the DevOps resources internally to run our own, for example, like Jenkins environment, it would slow us down. We started to understand how CircleCI 2 workflow functionality allowed us to pretty much do the same thing at like a fraction of the cost because we didn't have to hire another DevOps engineer. Circle provides a fully automated, managed CI environment, and Circle has made it really easy to have a sandbox that allows us to both build those containers, test them, package them, and push them out into our production system at a fraction of the cost because we didn't have to hire another DevOps engineer.